Explore the streets with me. Join me on a visual journey as I walk through the stunning city of Lucerne, Switzerland. In this video, you'll experience breathtaking views of Lake Lucerne and the surrounding Alps along with sounds and sights of this beautiful city. A bit of background on Lucerne. Historical significance. Founded in the 8th century, Lucerne, or Luzern, began as a small fishing village and evolved into a significant trade center after the opening of the St. Gotthard Pass around 1230. The city joined the Swiss Confederation in 1332 and has been a vital cultural and economic hub ever since. Iconic landmarks. Lucerne is famous for its well-preserved medieval architecture, including the Chapel Bridge, Kapellbrücke, a wooden bridge dating back to the 14th century, and the Lion of Lucerne, a poignant monument commemorating Swiss guards who died during the French Revolution. The city's charming old town features cobblestone streets and historical buildings that reflect its rich heritage. Cultural events. Lucerne hosts various cultural events throughout the year, such as the Lucerne Festival in August and the Lilu Light Festival in January. These events celebrate music, art, and local traditions, drawing visitors from around the world. What to expect? Stunning views. Enjoy breathtaking scenery as I stroll through Lucerne, capturing its picturesque lakeside promenade and majestic mountain backdrop. Cultural insights. Get a glimpse of local life and the unique atmosphere that this vibrant city offers. Serene experience. Perfect for relaxation or inspiration, these videos are designed to transport you to new places. Don't forget to subscribe. If you love exploring new destinations and want to see more walking tours like this, make sure to hit that subscribe button. Your support helps me create more content and share my adventures with you. Connect with me. Feel free to leave a comment about your favorite part of the video or suggest cities you'd like me to explore next.
grayish villa next to the right was her base. We stay there, many excursions around Luzern. Monarch was kind of holiday.
The office is moved to the other side, so the second floor is used actually like single